guys, welcome back to another video from Mumbai. Right now I'm on the way and I'm going to Automania. And बता देता हूँ, Automania is one of the most premium die-cast and resin and all of these high-end shops जो होते हैं ना इंडिया के. I have got cars from there. My friends have got cars from there. So everyone I know practically gets cars from there, and it's crazy. पहुँच के दिखाता हूँ आपको. It's got very exclusive cars, to be honest. तो अभी चल के मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. I got a friend joining me and Rakesh sir, who's the owner. I had a talk with him today morning. He was like super kind. I told him कि sir, I'm in Mumbai. You know, he was like, please come down. आप बताओ किस टाइम पे आओगे? I'll be there. So thanks to him for all the love and the kind gesture, because I know he's a busy man. अभी फाइनली जस्ट रीच द स्टोर. इधर आप देख सकते हो ऑटोमेनिया लिखा हुआ है. दैट इज द एड्रेस ऑफ द स्टोर. नाउ विल जस्ट क्विकली गो इनसाइड. So right now I'm inside the store. I'll just introduce the owner, Rakesh sir, and also I'll try to make this quick because you know he's a busy man, and then I'll just want to know a couple of things. First of all, how he started this, and secondly, what all he's got. It'll be a virtual tour. So first of all, I'll introduce. Hi sir.
Hi. Hello.
Thank you so much for having me over.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
And sir, first of all, everyone wants to know this. When did you start this?
So I started this business in 2007.
Okay.
I myself is a collector.
Okay.
And then I thought I went for the auto show in Frankfurt, where I met Mini Champs.
Okay.
And I thought that so many collectors need a car over models over here, and this was a good. I got a good opportunity to get them Mini Champ over here.
Okay.
So I started with Mini Champ. Then I got Franklin Mint.
Okay.
Then I got Auto Art, Kyosho, and that way slowly all other company I started getting them in
bringing
India.
them to
Yeah.
India. Sir, almost 20 years and lot of the brands, as you said, कि काफ़ी सारे लाए हैं. Can you tell us just for nostalgia, when you started off उस टाइम में 2007, 8, 10 में किस प्राइसेस पे आते थे मिनी चैम्प्स और ऑटो आर्ट?
So when I started, Franklin Mint was around 6.5
Okay.
up to say 9,000 rupees.
Okay.
Auto Arts were 3.5 to 6.5.
Okay.
Kyosho was in same range. Mini Champ also little higher, but in same range.
Almost similar.
Almost similar. So everything under 6.5 to 7,000 rupees.
All the best brands.
All the best brands.
And that time, you know, auto art was metal. It was not composite.
All were metal.
All were metal. So thank you so much for that. Now today, because I'm here obviously, and you've been getting some recently also some great cars. So sir, tell us a little bit about the evolution कि जैसे उस टाइम तक आप मंगा रहे थे ऑटो आर्ट में, जब 4 ब्रांड्स आपने बताए, slowly what were the brands added? Did a couple of them get dropped? और आजकल क्या क्या है? Then we'll see what all you've got in stock and we'll just have a look around.
After all this 4 to 5 brands, then I started getting Norev. Then there were Maestro, Burago, which were the lower this thing.
Budget models.
Budget models. Then came say Almost Real.
Okay.
Which were good. Norev came. Some other brands like GT Spirit. Auto.
Okay, automobile.
Yeah, automobile. All this model came. Then Signature model. Then so all these models started coming. There are so many brands you can see.
Right. I can see. I'll just pan the camera.
Creations.
LCD.
Yeah, LCD. BM Creation. All
Top
this
Marks.
started coming. Yeah.
So a lot of these.
Motor Helix is a new one which has come. LCD, the new ones. Have come.
The new LCD.
Yeah.
So over here, I'll just quickly give you a tour. यहाँ पे this is the new shape, and here we've got the old shape. So you've got the 118 scale Range Rover, old shape, new shape, both of them. So sir, new shape, how much is it retailing for the 18 scale?
New shape is including bill, it is 19,000 rupees.
19,000.
Yeah.
And the old shape?
And the old shape is 16.
16. So I'll just quickly come here. This is the old shape, if you can see. ये black one, and this is the champagne gold kind of color. This is the new shape. Also sir, because you're such a senior seller and a collector yourself, also one question which people have is कि रेजिन वर्सेस डाई कास्ट. आपने जो शुरू में मॉडल्स देखे, ऑल पार्ट्स ओपनिंग, दे हैड देयर ओन फन. आजकल रेजिन में डिटेलिंग बहुत अच्छी है, बट इट्स वेरी just for display purposes. You can't really do stuff with it. आपको ऐसा personally कुछ पसंद है?
But the thing is that in Raisin there are so many models coming and they are coming very fast.
Okay.
And even the production of these cars, they takes only 6 to 8 months to produce, and they are lower in price than compared to diecast nowadays. Diecast have become so expensive, like it is 20,000 and above. And this is under 15.
So it's a good budget option.
It's a good budget. Depend on the, because everybody don't open nowadays, don't open
and play. They don't have the time.
So it is better to have this where the dust does not go inside, and you can display also.
Display them.
Yeah.
So sir, now from where would you like to start? Because I can see a couple of interesting ones peeking there also.
1x8 over here.
1x8.
Yeah, that's a 1x8 model.
This is an Alpine.
Yes.
1x8. Just look at how massive this is. Almost as big as the table.
Yes. This is GLA.
GLA. Okay, this is the GLA.
GLA.
This is by which brand?
Solido.
Solido. And this is the...
That's a signature one. That's a Mercedes Hitler's car.
Hitler's car, right.
Yeah.
And over
that
here
is
I can...
all my collection actually.
old ones,
which have
really.
been given gift to me by the manufacturer.
Okay.
So you can see over here also there are some...
43 cars.
Yeah, all 43
We've got the
cars
Calsonic, we've
given
got
by
the
Mini
Porsche.
Champ.
Oh, these are all mini champs?
Yeah, so whenever I travel for exhibition, they used to give me one car as a gift.
Oh, beautiful. And here we've got an Ambi.
That's Ambi.
Beautiful. Then over here I can see...
This is a 1x8 G-Wagon.
What? Oh my god. 1x8 G-Wagon. This is huge. What is the weights are, if we just have to
This
ask?
must be what, 20 plus?
56 kgs.
56 kg.
56
total. Yeah,
kgs.
it's too heavy.
It's too heavy.
We need two people to...
It's even the scale model is a tank. So
And that's limited to 99 pieces.
only 99 in
Yeah,
the
you
world.
can see over there.
Right.
This is a
And this is a
number
mini
26, 26 I think.
And this is a sale model, right?
Yeah.
And this is okay, yes. And what is the retail just for
So
fun?
this is for 2,80,000.
2,80,000. Thank you so much. So I'm pretty sure we'll be able to afford it sometime. But for today, it's a beautiful model to look at. I'll just pan the
I
camera.
have one buyer ready.
You have a one by. Oh, this
He
guy.
promised me after marriage he will buy. He has still not bought.
Caught on camera. Sir never misses a chance to. Sir, let's come this side, sir. I can see beautiful rolls, purple,
this,
blue, white. Which are
And
these?
there are more colors. IVY, Rolls Royce.
Okay.
There are 3 more colors.
Okay.
So total 6 colors.
6 color. This is beautiful. This very bright red.
Yeah.
This is a British racing green kind of a color, and this is a dual tone black and white.
Silver. White, sorry.
Black, white.
Black, white.
So, sir, how much are these for? These are resin.
There's a resin model and these are between 30 to 32,000.
30 to 32,000.
Yeah.
And this one is what, sir?
That is a Motor Helix Nissan R34.
Motor Helix.
Yeah, it's a diecast model. It comes with the engine and the engine lift.
Oh, the engine and the engine lift. And they are actually using the same packaging which they use for their 64 cars.
Yes.
And diecast means all parts opening?
Opening, yes.
Oh, beautiful. And here we got a
This
new
is a resin model.
Nissan Z.
Nissan.
Over here we've got, this is what Civic type.
And this is a lower body modified one. So this you can see the suspension.
So,
it is lower.
stance
Yeah.
and the beautiful Nardo grey color. This also gets an engine
Engine and the lift.
and the lift. And how expensive are these?
This are for 28,000. This is for 24,000.
28 and 24 with
Yeah.
and all parts opening this also.
Yes.
Beautiful. Here we've got a Formula 1 car, so not really get to see
So
a
I
lot
have
of.
only one car which is from Spark,
Okay,
and it is for 19,000.
19,000.
Yeah, it's-
And these are MR collection Urus.
MR collection Urus.
So this is red, this is gold, bronze, whatever you want to call, and this is black and yellow, the classic combination. So MR collection as equivalent to BBR, you'll say better.
Yes, the BBR, MR collection and Look Smart are almost same,
similar. And how expensive are these?
They are all 60 plus.
60 plus. So the best part about this video is you don't just get to see the models, you get to see the detailing, the price, all of it. So if you want to buy, you can definitely go on their website and plan. This is a beautiful 1:12 motorcycle, is it?
Yeah.
Which make?
The LCD.
LCD.
Yeah.
And this is a GSXR. This is the LCD Toyota
LCD
Century.
Toyota Century, and this is almost real Toyota Century, which is the older one.
Okay, so So we've got two generations of the Century. One is the older one, and here we've got the newer one. One is almost real, one is LCD. So sir, both of these brands are doing pretty great these days.
Yeah.
They've got great detailing, opening parts. And what's the price difference?
So the LCD is for 19,000 and this is for 32,000.
Okay.
Almost real is expensive.
Almost real is expensive. Beautiful Range Rover. This is the new one, limited edition, 48 out of 99. Only 99 in the world.
Resin model.
Resin model.
Yeah.
And which manufacturer?
Motor Helix.
Moto Helix. Also,
This
this
is LCD openable.
LCD openable. This is the Champagne Gold new. This is the
We
one
have
you were
three
telling
colours.
for 19,000.
19,000.
And this is the 16,000 pre-facelift.
Yes.
And these are almost real Defenders, 110.
Yeah.
And these are how much?
28,000.
28. Another beautiful Moto Helix G Wagon. How expensive is this?
This is for 40,000.
118.
180.
This is 1:12.
1:12.
And Ghost Rolls Royce. And how expensive?
1,25,000.
1,25,000. And which manufacturer?
No, VMB.
VMB. Oh, we've seen their.
It's a Chinese one.
We've seen their Koenigsegg's, the
Yes,
mini ones,
the
5,000-6,000
mini ones. Yeah.
cars. And okay, this is the IVY models. We're pretty much done with this section. Over there, we've got a GT Spirit. Is that
Yeah, it is GT Spirit.
both of them? No, that
No,
one is different.
That's again IVY.
IVY, the F40.
Yeah.
Special color something.
It's a
Liberty
special
Walk?
edition.
Louis Vuitton.
Louis
Okay.
Vuitton.
Very expensive.
35,000.
35. Fair enough. After looking at all the other cars, it feels reasonable. Then we come on here. This is the Lincoln. Which manufacturer is this?
This is a Chinese one,
Okay.
and all three are made by them.
Okay.
And even this, the Cadillac.
Okay.
This is the Cadillac Fleetwood, and this is Aston Martin DB5.
Right. This is the Lincoln. This is the Cadillac, the limo.
Fleetwood limo, and this is the Cadillac Fleetwood.
This is the. And over here we've got two Aston Martin DB5s, openable parts, and this. But these look pretty, gold chrome basically. And how expensive are these?
This is 40,000. This is 33,000.
This is 40 and this is 33. And there we've got some resin models in the
They're
bottom.
all GT Spirits.
Audis. All GT Spirit Audis. We've got the S3, then we've got the e-tron GT, then I think this is what, the RS6 with the ABT. Kankesh?
Yeah.
This is the ABT RS6.
Yeah, that is the ABT.
Then over here,
It's almost real.
almost real.
Yeah,
This one.
both are almost real.
Oh, beautiful spec. And this is a Koenig modified.
Modified, yes.
And here we've got a Lexus. Which make is this
This
Lexus?
is same Chinese one, which is this.
Okay.
It's a new brand.
Okay.
This is again LCD.
LCD.
Kyosho. King 5.
King 5. That they've got a beautiful display, by the way. Love the diorama which you've built inside. And that I can see a Gulf Porsche.
Yes.
Which one is that?
This is IVY, I think. So it's the same
IVY.
IVY company.
Oh, awesome. And lots of Porsches here. This is a what, an Idler.
This is GT Spirit.
GT Spirit.
Yes.
All of them?
Yeah, all of them.
All of them GT Spirit. Then we've got a BMW wagon. Which make
This
is
is automobile.
that? Automobile. And how expensive is auto?
This is 11,700.
Reasonable and very nice details and very rare models also.
Yes.
This is the M4.
M4.
The new M4 also auto.
Yes.
And then we've got the BMW Compact. Then we've got an art car sort of a thing.
This art car is my model which I've kept it here.
Oh, this is your custom
Yeah,
built?
it's a UT models.
UT models.
Yeah.
Your personal collection.
Yeah.
Not for sale.
Not for sale.
Please do not comment. Then here we've got the BMW M3 with the beautiful red interior. Love the interior on this. And also we've got this. I think this is the lightweight M2, the finale edition of the M2, the pre-facelift. A lot of people think this was much prettier than the one which has been launched now.
Yeah.
And here we've got the Vahanam ambassador, is
Yes.
it? So this is for now a very short tour. I can see a lot of things over here which are, I'll just come this side. He's got a lot of 64 also. Agar aapko 64 cars ka shauq hai, you can definitely check these out. He's got LCD cars ka collection. He has the new Land Cruiser ZX, the LX600, lots of colors, the Toyota 2000 GT. He's got a few mini GTs. Then Schuko, the Mercedes Maybach G650 Landley, beautiful. He's got Sparky, Porsche 911, Then Tiny HK, Toyota RAV4, Volkswagen Caddy, LCD models, Honda NSX. Then we've got Pop Race over here. Pop Race के बहुत सारे models हैं, काफ़ी सारे Pop Race के models हैं. And then I can see some BM creations over there. Some of them are displayed. Some Kyosho 43 scale. Then GCD आजकल काफ़ी चल रहा है 64 scale में. GCD के काफ़ी सारे हैं. And here he has got some very rare 18 scale cars. ये इंडिया में ना ये स्पेक नहीं मिलता है ना, आपको ये येलो वाली रिवोल्टो देखने को मिलेगी. ये नियॉन और ऑरेंज में इंडिया में जनरली मिलती है. एंड वी गेट द Porsche 911 GT3 इन दिस शार्क ब्लू कलर. शार्क ब्लू इज ऑल्सो वेरी रेयर. एंड इज गॉट द Bugatti Mistral. तो अगर बजट मॉडल्स आप कलेक्ट कर रहे हो 18 में, इज गॉट दोज ऑल्सो, जस्ट मेकिंग इट क्लियर. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ 1 लाख और 50,000 के मॉडल्स हैं. ऑल ऑफ द वेराइटी इज हियर. He's got CMB Leyland. These are Tiny HK के buses. These are Tiny HK के flatbed series trucks. And actually Mini GT ने भी जब ये ट्रक बनाया था Liberty Walk वाला, तो Tiny से ही लाइसेंसिंग लेके बनाई थी. So it was a collab casting. Then here we've got what, Nissan Fairlady Z in the Coca-Cola livery. Some more Coca-Cola cars in Tiny HK's lineup. यहाँ पे Solido है. Solido is the 131 Abarth. We've got the Lambo V12 Vision GT, the Norif Peugeot RC ZR. Both of them are same only. Then we've got the Kangfei. Kangfei की वो एक हॉलर है, Scania का हॉलर है by Kangfei. And we've got Paragon models का BMW i8. This is in the 1:43 scale. So यहाँ पे कुछ डायरामास वगैरह भी बने हुए हैं. You know these 43 scale cars ऐसे looking like they are going around the track. They look very nice, defying gravity. Here we've got a Subaru STI 18 scale. I'll have to check the manufacturer. Kyosho? Resin,
yeah.
This is a Kyosho Subaru. Beautiful in this blue color. Then here I think we've got a Reventon, and Reventon in the matte grey color, which is stealth fighter look. And also thank you so much to sir for taking out a couple of his rare models to show us in person. This is actually a 18 scale hauler. You can fit a proper 18 scale car on the bed.
There's a headlight.
Oh wow, it's got working lights. Oh my god. And the actually towing lights, they work. This is a dream. Which make is this, sir?
This is Tiny.
Tiny HK?
Yeah.
18 scale.
18 scale.
Wow.
With working lights and all. This looks amazing. Working lights, all of it. And how expensive is this?
This is 32,000.
32,000. It's a very nice deal for everything which you are getting. The details in itself are very nice, and this is just icing on the cake. I'll just show you from the rear. You've got a functioning ramp and everything. All the Japanese text, all the Chinese text. These hinges, they work. So you've seen the video of my 64 scale Tiny HK truck, similar but in much bigger size. So sir, thank you so much for taking out time from your extremely busy schedule, and loved seeing here. I realized that I can never do a proper complete tour because I was missing out the two Caddies. Beast. This is the President's car. Cadillac, and this is the Escalade, the new Escalade.
New.
And both of them, this is actually very rare because no other manufacturer is making it.
Only Motor Helix.
Only Motor Helix. How expensive are these two?
Both are 30.
Both are 30
each.
And this is a 112 Auto Art with openable parts. So how expensive is this?
This is 47,000.
47,000. But 112 scale, just look at the size. वो आप ऐसे 18 scale देखोगे, उसके बाद ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी लगती है, और openable parts हैं, which is a very big deal for any bigger than 18 scale car.
Then we have a G-Wagon.
Okay. This one?
It's actually a green color.
Okay.
And it's by NZG.
NZG.
1/12, fully openable.
Fully openable.
4x4.
4x4. And how expensive is that?
That is
67,000. So thanks to sir, I've been able to tell the prices in this video itself. If you want, just go to the website and order. You don't need to go to the website just to check the prices. You'll get an idea. And this video is being shot in 2024 in the month of September. So the prices may vary when you're looking at this video, maybe 2-3 years down the line. Just a disclaimer. And thank you so much, sir.
Now we are giving a deal on GT Spirit and Automobile.
Okay.
We are giving discount on it.
You're giving a discount?
Models. Yes.
Oh wow. Thank you for letting us know. We'll definitely go and check. And thanks for your time, sir. It was such an amazing experience to be able to come here and see this in person. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.